Free largo. Yo, Trap Latino gang. Yo, wow. Gang, 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 gang. Tushi, pushy, tushi, pushy, tushi, pushy, tushi, pushy, tushi, pushy.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing safe out there. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you a little trick of how to make your face mask at home. You don't have to stress yourself of going to the pharmacy to get one. All you need is a pair of stockings with your scissors. You are good to go. But before I show you that little trick, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please do so. Hit the subscribe button, like, share to your friends, and also on the notification bell in case I post a new video, you're going to see it fast. So let me show you how to do it. Let's go.